The Nintendo Switch has outsold the PlayStation 4 in Japan, despite having been on shelves for 2 years less. According to the latest sales figures from Famitsu World Medicine, lifetime Switch hardware sales in the region currently stand at 830 million units, which is slightly more than the 807 million lifetime sales amassed by the PS4. The PS4 launched in Japan on February 22nd,
2015
with the Switch landing just over 2 years later on March 3rd.
2016
Although the Switch is beating the PS4 on home soil, Sony's console still has the upper hand when it comes to global sales, having sold 91.6 million units worldwide compared to the SW19CH's global sales of 35 million units. Knowing how to get your game in front of the people who will enjoy it most has never been more important. And if you want to sharpen your skills, the 2019 Game Developers Conference the place to be. First and foremost, this year ED debuts a special Game Discoverability Day, an entire day of talks discussing practical case studies and strategies for PC, console and mobile game developers to help their work stand out amid a sea of games. Also, there are a slew of notable talks outside Discoverability Day that are designed to help you sell and market your games more effectively. For example, in PR Success, GIF, How to Get Your Game Across in 5 Seconds, Future Friends Games, Thomas Riesniger explores the wonderful format of animated GIFs and how they can be used to promote your game efficiently to players, press, influencers and other important people. From the question of what makes a good GIF, how to record, compress and post them, to best practice examples, this session will provide tips like why the first frame of a GIF is key, as well as platform-specific GIF advice for Steam, Twitter, etc. After this session, you will know how to get the most out of your beautiful animated GIF babies, and how to convey your game's core message within seconds. And in Build Your Own Fan Club, how to use your email list, Return to Adventure Mountains. Chris Zukovsky will teach you the techniques needed to get players to join your mailing list, boost your open rates, and turn new players into super fans. You will walk away inspired to use your email list in good and interesting ways, and you will know what you need to grow your list. Mobile game makers should check out the changing face of the mobile marketplace, in which congregate speaker icons will take a look at fun mobile games, to new launches, and to aging titles, to see what the modern mobile business looks like. He will walk you through the practical value, in 2018, of things like storefront featuring, user acquisition, test markets, performance improvements, competition, game updates, and more. If you are launching or relaunching a mobile game in 2019, this is a talk you want to see. Plus, Joy Cactus director Patrick Collieri will be at DD 2019 presenting Community-Driven Discoverability for Indies, a section of strategies for increasing the discoverability of your games, aimed at indie devs. This talk will help you identify your niche and unique selling points, find your audience, build strong communities, enable meaningful social experiences, provide value to influencers, and leverage social media to enable your players to be your advocates. Specifically, you will hear about what Joy Cactus tried with its hit bridge builder Polybridge, and how well it did or did not work. Last but not least, you will want to keep an eye out for the DD 2019 talk on To Affinity and Beyond, Lessons Learned Mapping the Mobile Games Market, from King Product Manager Bishop Ismadia. Using King's treasure trove of mobile market data, Smash will show you what the mobile gaming market looks like mapped using big data, and how to use this knowledge to explore opportunities or grow them for yourself. Can big data help game makers chart a fruitful course in today's shopping game market? Find out at DD 2019. Further details on these talks and many more are available now on THGDC 2019 session scheduler. There you can begin to lay out your DD 2019, which takes place March 18th through the 22 at the newly renovated Moscone Center in San Francisco. Bring your team to DD. Register a group of 10 or more and save 10% on conference passes. Learn more. For more details on GDC 2019, visit the show's official website, or subscribe to regular updates via Facebook, Twitter, or Gamasutra and DD are sibling organizations under parent company Informa. Whether you are just starting out, looking for something new, or just seeing what's out there, the Gamasutra job board is the place where game developers move ahead in their careers. Gamasutra's job board is the most diverse, most active, and most established board of its kind in the video game industry, serving companies of all sizes, from indie to AAA. Here are just some of the many positions being advertised right now. If you are a recruiter looking for talent, you can also post jobs here. Location: Nottingham, England. Avakin Life developer Lockwood Publishing is looking for a Go backend engineer with experience in Golang, Python, or Java to join its team in Nottingham. The responsibilities for this role include the creation and maintenance of fast, efficient, and reliable backend microservices to be used by the game client, assisting with the implementation and maintenance of automated testing of both backend API and services, and creating and maintaining documents required for team members to understand how web services and API function. Location: Hamburg, Germany. Are you bursting with ideas and eager to let your creativity flow in an inspiring work environment with a friendly atmosphere? Then apply now to become part of our passionate and wildly creative team. Join the studio behind the award-winning Galaxy on Fire series as level designer to create immersive and spectacular game worlds for an upcoming third-person action game for console and PC. Let's do this together. Location: San Mateo, California. The senior technical program manager reports into the platform planning management (PPM) department's business operations team, and is primarily focused on go-to-market and in-life project management, communications operations around the launch of platform products and features. These projects are typically platform initiatives which vary in scope and subject matter, ranging from incremental feature planning through to the hardware and software releases. The PPM team works with a broad set of internal and external teams, including global counterparts responsible for all aspects of product planning and development in the PlayStation family. As such, the ideal candidate has direct experience of platform planning and on managing projects in a global digital media entertainment environment. Gaming experience interests strongly desired. Location: Seattle, Washington. Valkyrie Entertainment is currently looking for a senior software engineer to join our highly talented team to help us deliver high-quality, exciting, and most importantly, fun games. This position seeks a developer with a solid understanding of CS fundamentals and Unity development experience for iOS and Android to write well-architected and performant code, contribute to key technical discussions, and provide senior-level mentorship to team members. Location: Bellevue, Washington. The senior community managers responsible for directing and conducting day-to-day web and social media interactions with the enthusiasts and fans of Ghost of Tsushima. They will provide world-class personal support by engaging, educating, informing and entertaining our players, while maintaining an ongoing dialogue with the community at large. Anki, the robotics and artificial intelligence company known in the games industry, combining physical toys and mobile games, is shutting down. As reported by Vox, the company has struggled to secure crucial financing in recent months, and has now been left without significant funding to support of hardware and software business, and bridge its long-term product roadmap. Nearly 200 employees are due to be laid off as a result of the closure, all of whom will receive a week of severance pay. Although not strictly a video game company, Anki has created a number of robots and toys such as the Cosmobot and Drive Cars that integrate smartphone games and apps, and has often infused its real-world toys with traditional game design principles. Despite our past successes, we pursued every financial avenue to fund our future product development and expand on our platforms, reads a statement handed to Vox. A significant financial deal at a late stage fell through with a strategic investor, and we were not able to reach an agreement. We are doing our best to take care of every single employee and their families, and our management team continues to explore all options available. Project Cars developer Slightly Mad Studios has failed to secure the Madbox trademark for its recently announced vehicle-friendly game console. As reported by Business Insider, the company filed the Madbox trademark with the European Union Intellectual Property Office (EUIPO) on January 3, but was eventually halted by French studio Madbox in an opposition filed on March 25. Madbox told the EUIPO there exists a likelihood of confusion on the part of the public, with the studio obviously worried the Madbox name would be mistaken for its own, rather than tussle with Madbox. Slightly Mad decided to resolve the issue. And now,